IAM roles are like temporary security passes. They give access without the hassle of creating separate users. Think of it as a VIP pass that lets services or users do what they need to do, but without permanent credentials. This enhances security by reducing long-term access risks. And trust me, fewer credentials floating around means fewer security nightmares. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. All right, let's talk security. AWS IAM is like the gatekeeper of your AWS environment. It controls who gets in and what they can do. By organizing access with users, groups, and roles, it ensures that only the right people can touch sensitive resources. Just like you wouldn't give your house keys to a stranger, IAM helps keep AWS environments locked up tight. Imagine an IAM role as an actor playing different roles in a movie. It doesn't have permanent access. It assumes permissions temporarily and does its job before handing over the role to someone else. This keeps things flexible while maintaining security. So whether it's an application needing short-term access or a service performing a task, IAM roles step in, do their thing, and step out. Think of IAM users as permanent employees and IAM roles as freelancers. Users have credentials that last, while roles are given temporary access for specific jobs. Roles shine when you need automation or services to work securely, while users are best for people who need consistent access. So, if you don't want too many credentials floating around, roles are the way to go. Imagine giving someone the keys to your house, but only letting them stay for a limited time. IAM role session duration works the same way. It sets a strict timer. By defining the right duration, we ensure access is temporary and controlled. Too long and it's a security risk, too short, and users constantly refresh sessions. So let's get this balance right. Ever borrowed a Netflix password from a friend? Well, cross-account access is a bit like that, but way more secure. Instead of sharing long-term credentials, AWS lets accounts temporarily borrow access. It keeps things flexible while maintaining security. But just like your friend might revoke access after a while, IAM roles ensure that cross-account permissions don't last forever. Security is like dieting. Stick to healthy habits and you avoid trouble. Least privilege means giving only the necessary access, like ordering just enough pizza instead of a whole buffet. Reviewing permissions prevents outdated access. Role chaining. Use it wisely or you might create a tangled web of permissions. And always rotate keys because stale credentials are like expired milk, best avoided. Think of IAM security like locking your house doors. Better safe than sorry. Overly permissive roles are like leaving doors open for burglars. MFA is the extra deadbolt that makes unauthorized access harder. Monitoring logs help spot intruders trying to sneak in. And audits, well, they're like checking that all locks are still working. Secure IAM roles mean a safer AWS setup. IAM role monitoring is like watching security cameras in a mall. Cloud trail records every move, like a detective collecting clues. Cloud Watch alerts are the alarm system. If something suspicious happens, we get notified. Unused roles. They're like old storage boxes. Review and clean up regularly. And spotting odd access patterns is like catching someone sneaking around. It's best to act fast. IAM roles are powerful but not superheroes. They don't store permanent credentials, which is great for security but requires temporary tokens. Role chaining can be tricky, like stacking too many pancakes, it gets unstable. They only work within AWS-supported environments, so don't expect magic beyond that. And session duration has a cap, because unlimited access is never a good idea. IAM roles are evolving like smartphones, getting smarter with each update. Automation will make managing roles a breeze. Integration with cloud security means tighter protection. Identity-based controls will be sharper, helping in precise access management, and AI-driven security analysis. Well, that's like having Sherlock Holmes investigate IAM policies, detecting risks before they become problems. IAM roles are the unsung heroes of AWS security. They simplify access control without exposing permanent credentials. They scale beautifully, making security efficient at any level. And most importantly, they help keep AWS environments safe. So whether you're a cloud newbie or a seasoned architect, mastering IAM roles is a must. It's like learning to drive in the cloud. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.